Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, beta.
Good
Where
morning,
are
sir.
the good morning? Where are the rest of the students today? Why are they not attending the class?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Is there any network problem today? Adrika is not able to join the class. Let's wait for the students to join. Gar, beta, were you facing any problem in joining the class?
Sir, I was.
Yes, Gar, what happened? Gar, बेटा आपने ज्वाइन कर लिया. प्लीज डिलीट योर मैसेज फ्रॉम द ग्रुप. गर्व. Some of the students are having some problem in joining the class. Om Agarwal, beta, your background is looking very good.
Thank you, sir.
How are you, Om?
So I'm fine.
Very nice to see you in the class.
Thank
Muhammad Imad, how are you?
you. I'm good.
Very good. ओके, क्या करें, स्टार्ट करें?
Sir, can you
यस बेटा।
please send me all chapter because I want to recheck my work.
सॉरी बेटा।
Sir, I want to recheck my chapter. Can you please all chapter?
बेटा, your voice is not coming properly. Can you tell me again?
Sir, can you please send me the chapters or I have to recheck my work?
Can you send me? उसके बाद बेटा मुझे समझ नहीं आया. What are you saying? Can you send me?
The chapters because I want to recheck my work.
बेटा इमाद, आप समझ पा रहे हो? What is he saying? No.
No, sir, I can't. Sir, can I go?
Yes, 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 yes. Adrika has joined. Chalo, very good. Adrika, are you joined now? Yes. Good morning, Adrika. Have you joined the meeting
Good
now?
morning, sir.
Yes, good morning. You are facing
So,
problem
what
in
we are
joining?
doing? Yes, sir. It was showing an error occurred. You can join. You cannot join.
Okay, so you restarted your phone?
Yes, sir. I have restarted my laptop.
Okay.
So, what we are doing?
We will be continuing with the Adrika, have you done Om? Can you, sorry, not Om, Garv. गर्व बेटा, आपको कौन सा चैप्टर चाहिए था? कैन यू राइट इट इन द, हाँ, चैप्टर 6. Adrika, have your work is complete of chapter 6 division?
Yes, sir.
Can you send a PDF to me personally?
Okay, sir. So, can I send
And
you
and
after the class?
yes, yes, you can send it after the class. Chapter 5 and 6 both. Okay.
Okay, sir. I will
Send a
send
PDF
it.
for both the chapters. Garv beta, I will send it to you. Okay.
Okay,
Garv,
sir.
send me a message on WhatsApp. Okay, personally send me a message on WhatsApp. I will send it to you on that number. Okay. So we are doing
Okay, sir.
exercise 6.3.
Yes,
Let's
sir. We are.
continue it. And have we
So, we
started?
were doing
Uh,
exercise 6.3 B part,
uh,
second question.
Second question. So have you all done second one? Have you all done the
So,
second
can
one?
you solve the second one? I can't understand. My answer is coming wrong.
Exercise we were doing.
We are doing exercise 6.3, beta. So we have to. I'm okay. I'm giving you 2 more minutes for the second part. All of you. I will do it on the board also. Just 2 minutes. I'm giving you to do it yourself. Okay. Then you can check your answers. Just try it for 2 minutes. All of you.
So 2 minutes you will also tell question one also.
Question one, to beta we did yesterday only. You have to do the second one now. Try the second one, and then we will verify the answer. Okay, all of you done the second part? Check your answer, everyone. I'm doing it on the board. Have you all done it? Tell me.
Yes, sir, I have done it.
We have to divide 619302 by 4800. Avni, you have done? First of all, we will go take one only in the question. 4800 into 1 is 4800 only. 3, 9, 11 minus 8 is 3, 1. So 1393 is the remainder, then you copy down 0. So this time you will take, let's try with 3, 4800 into 3, 00144. So this will be greater than 13930. So you will take 2. 4800 into 2 is 9600. 0, 3, 3, 13 minus 9 is 4. Then the last digit 2. Yeah, okay. So let's do it with 9. Try करते हैं. 4800 into 9 is 002736 plus 743. So yes, 9 will come. 43200 3 minus 2 is 1. 102 is the remainder. So quotient is equal to 129 and the remainder is equal to 102. Yeah, got your answer? Is it correct?
Yes, sir, it's correct.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Start doing the fourth part, all of you. Fourth part करेंगे अब आप लोग. I think in 3 minutes you should complete fourth part of question B, everyone.
So can you hear me?
Yes. Tell me. Any problem?
No. Sir, the answer is
Avni, you got the answer? Okay,
yes, sir.
you can send your answer in the chat box.
Okay. Sir. Sir, can I also send in the chat box my answer? I have sent it to you.
Yes, beta, those who have done, they can send their answer in the chat box. Yes, Avni, I have seen your answer. Did the answer of the fourth part, Avni?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. I will just do it on the board. We can check the answer.
So we have to do the fourth part or the third part.
Beta, fourth one, fourth.
I have said none, the third part.
कोई बात नहीं. Now you can do the fourth one.
Sir, I have sent the answer
Okay.
in chat box.
Okay. चलिए check करते हैं. I am doing it on the board.
What I am doing?
So fourth part is you have to divide by the number 359, and you have to divide which number? 3891 748.
748.
Okay, this is the number that we have to divide. So one time 359, remainder 30. When you copied the next digit 1, अब आपने देखा 301 is smaller than 359, so you will take 0 and copy another digit 7. Okay, have you all understood why we have written 0 in quotient? Because after copying 1 down, the number 301 was still smaller than 359, so we copied 7 also. So when we are copying 2 digits from the dividend, we write a 0 in quotient. Okay. So 3017, let's try with 8. 359 into 8 8 into 9, 72, 7, 47, 4, 28, 2872. I think this is okay. 8, 2872. 5, 11 minus 7, 4, 9 minus 8, 1, 145. Next digit 4, 1454. 4 times 3, 5, 9 into 4 करके देखते हैं. 4 into 5 is 4 into 9 is 36. 3, 23, 2, 12, 1436 सही है. So 4, 1436 minus करके you get 18 as the remainder. 8 कॉपी कर लिया. So 8 कॉपी करने के बाद there is a problem that the number 188 is still smaller than 359, so you will write another 0. देखो ध्यान से everyone, this is important. After copying down 8, the last digit 8 copy करने के बाद the number 188 is still smaller than 359, so you will write a 0 in quotient. Okay, so now there is no digit left, so this is your final quotient and remainder. Quotient is 10840, 10,840, and the remainder is 188. So let's see whether your answers are correct. Avni has given absolutely correct answer, and Garv also. Excellent, both of you. Adrika had sent the answer of the third one first. I hope, Adrika, have you done it now, Adrika? Fourth one?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Your answer is correct.
Yes.
Good. Okay, all of you, let's do the sixth one. Start doing the sixth one. This was the fourth one. Start doing the sixth one now. Avni, beta, are you a new admission?
What, sir?
Are you a new admission in this school?
No, sir.
Okay, so when you joined SR, you were in which class? From which class you joined SR?
Sir, I was in first class.
From first class you joined SR. Very good. So you were not attending classes previously, online classes?
Python.
You were doing? Okay. Yes, all of you done the sixth one? May we discuss it now? Sixth one. Let's do it. Answer send नहीं किया आप लोगों ने? I was waiting for your answers.
Yes, sir, I forgot to send that.
Sir, which
Sixth part. Sixth part. कोई बात नहीं, कर लेते हैं. We have to divide 84 lakh 26,179. 84 lakh 26,179 by 1,270. Okay. So 1270 into 12 into 6 कितना था? 72. चलो 6 से ट्राई करते हैं. So 6 into 0, 6 into 7, 42, 4, 12 plus 4, 16, 1, 7, 7, 6, 2, 0 था. Yes, सही है. So 6, 7, 6, 2, 0, 6, 0, 14 minus 6 is 8. 806. 1 कॉपी कर लिया. 8061 अगेन 6 आएगा. 7620 माइनस कर लो. 1, 6 minus 2, 4, and 10 minus 6, 4, 441. 7, 1270, sorry, 1270 into 3, 0, 21, 2, 6 plus 2 is 8, 3, 8, 3810. तो यहाँ पे 3 आ गया. And now minus 7, 0, 14 minus 8 is 6. Last digit 9. So let's try with the 5. 5 शायद I think बड़ा हो जाएगा. 4 आएगा. 1270 into 4. 4 into 7 is 28. 2, 10, 1, 5. 5080. 4. 9, 7 minus 8 is 9 again. 17 minus 8 is 9. 999 is the remainder. So this is the answer. Quotient is 6,634 and the remainder is 999. Have you got it right? All of you?
Sir, I have sent
Yes,
my answer
sir.
in the
Okay, very good. Very good. Avni, your answer is correct. Adrika, your answer is also correct. Excellent,
sir.
both of you. Adrika is very consistent in giving the correct answers. Very good, excellent, outstanding, marvelous, amazing, tremendous. All these words are for Adrika. And
Thank you, sir.
even Avni is doing very, very good today. Very good, Avni.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,